J here and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a Grow Collaborative haul. I just got the stuff the other day, so I haven't even opened up anything, and I just wanted to share with you guys what it was that I ended up getting. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Alright you guys, so I went and got a box cutter because like I said, I haven't even opened up this merchandise right here. So this is my first time kind of doing it where it's like in front of you guys. Usually I have everything prepared and everything all open, but there was some things that I ended up getting that are new a part of this haul. But I was like, let me just share with my peeps what it is that I ended up getting. Let you guys see. So, all these things out. Of course, there's a lot of noise here. Paper, and more paper. Right, fresh out of the box. All right, so I got this first item right here. This micro duster here. And this item was fabulous. I saw this on the website. This is for cleaning the bookshelves and book bases, ceiling fans, and more. And it's supposed to get into the tiniest. It's a magnet, they say. A magnet? What? Well, we will see that. I'll be the judge of that. See if that's going to work or not. But anyway, I'm going to take this out here. Ooh, I didn't know that you took this off. This is nice. Feels nice too. Look at how this is here. I was like, nice. It feels nice. It has a little curve right here. You know, nice little handle. Ooh, sun was falling on the floor. Nice little, oh, that's nice. I guess that's there for holding it on something. I'm not quite sure, but I'm assuming that's what that's for. Nice little wooden handle here. And this part is plastic. Yeah, nice. Very nice. Very nice. Let's get here. I ended up getting this here. Okay. Oh yeah, that's right. I get these towel. Oh wow, these flour sack towels. It's three in the pack. I want to open these out. Let you guys see like how these are here. A nice little pack. Whoa. Yeah, I got these. What did I get these for? I forgot why I got these things here. Woo! I tell you, you order stuff and then you forget. You know what I'm saying? I believe I purchased these for the kitchen. Wow, this is a nice size towel. Pretty nice. Look at that. Okay. Grow Collaborative. Very nice. And so I ended up getting 2 packs of these. Yeah. 2 packs of these. And let's see, what is the size of these? Let's see if it says the size. No, it doesn't give the dimensions, but it is 100% cotton. Which means when it shrinks, it's going to shrink everywhere. Oh, excuse me. 100% organic cotton. So maybe it might not shrink. We'll see though. We'll have to test and we'll have to test and see if it is. But this is nice though. So as I mentioned, I ended up getting two packs of these. So this ain't working. Woo! I'm getting this Mrs. Meyers baking soda cleanser here. This is working fabulous. I love using this. A lot of times I like using this when I'm going to be cleaning out my sinks and things. It is really nice. I ended up getting 2 of these. Two. I ended up getting a microfiber all-purpose cloth. Wow, this is the one. Has 2 of them. I love this. You guys can see the fibers on that. Of course, grow past their symbol right there. Now on my green one that I already have, this part here on that particular one is like for reinforcement with cleaning. A spot that may be a little challenging to get with the towel itself, but this one is not like that. So I'm not sure of its purpose for this particular type of micro fiber cloth here. Not quite sure. So maybe it will say, let me see. No, your new favorite cleaning companion. Huh. Okay. High quality all-purpose microfiber. So this is to prepare you for lots of different things here. To be amazed by its ability to remove dirt. Why can't I talk today? Girl, get it right. To be amazed by its ability to remove dirt, oil, dust, and more. Okay, it cleans hard surfaces too. Made with a durable, dense fiber of cloths and stuff. So this isn't, oh, that's different. This isn't a e-cloth like I have with my other two. I have a green one and a yellow one, as I mentioned. This is a microfiber. So that is one of the things that's a little bit different though. And like I said, I mentioned that I have two of these that came in a pack. Now, my next item here is the Bubble Up brush here. I have gotten this before and I just needed to get another one. Here's the one that I have. I use it quite a bit. Look at that. Stuff on there. Girl, bye. Anyway, I ended up getting another one of these. Okay, so this item here is something that's new. A tongue cleaner. Saw this on the website and I was like, I need to get another one because normally I end up purchasing these from Dollar Tree. I usually get their tongue cleaners. And so I was like, why do I need to be continuing to repurchase these plastic tongue cleaners? Not that they don't work. That's not what I'm saying. I just decided to do something and get something where I wouldn't have to continue to buy it all the time, you know. So this one here, I'll have for a lifetime, or at least try to have longer than the plastic ones that I have to keep rebuying. So anyway, so this tongue cleaner says, cleans in just 10 seconds. We will see about the judge on that one there. So, all right, so this is one of their best sellers too. So this is good here. Oh, and then it even has like a bonus travel pouch. Okay. All right, works wonders for bad breath. Well, we all know that sometimes tongue cleaners are not the only thing that you need if you get bad breath. Womp, womp, womp. Okay, so my last item is one of my faves, and it is this soap here. Every time I order stuff from Grove Collaborative, a lot of times I end up repurchasing this Lavender and Oatmeal soap here that I love from Grove Collaborative. So yeah, I ended up getting two of these. Now look at that. What? So yeah, that completes my, what can we say, that completes my order. I'm so glad that you guys joined me today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you thought about some of the items that you may have seen today. Maybe you might want to purchase some that you saw. Who knows? Like I said, I will leave all the items and the prices links in the description box. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.